If you're one of those who were able to get those very low fixed rates 2 years ago, so let's say you got a fixed rate below 2% or a little over 2%, you may be wondering right now what you should be doing once your fixed rate expires. And so rates have gone up since. At that time when you took out the fixed rates, the cash rate was only 0.10%. Right now, as I actually am doing this video, the cash rate is already at 2.85%. And the predictions of analysts is that the cash rate will go up by another 1%. So they're expecting a 0.25% increase in the cash rate this December and another 3 more up to May next year. So we're looking at the cash rate of 3.85%. So right now, the variable rates ranges from anywhere between 4.5% to 5%. So when your fixed rate expires, even if that rate was at 2%, 2.1%, 2.2%, that rate will actually go up to 4.5%, 5%. It switches to a variable rate. That's what happens when your fixed rate expires. So what do you need to do if you know your fixed rate is expiring soon? First thing you need to do is speak to your existing bank or speak to a mortgage broker. What you need to find out is what are the things that you still want to achieve in the next 12 months, 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years. You have to understand your personal situation, where you are financially, and where you want to be in the future. Things you should be asking yourself. Is the home loan still working for you? Do you have an offset account and you're not actually using the offset account? There's no money parked in there, so you're not using that offset account effectively. And you're paying extra fees for that offset account. So this is something that as brokers need to understand. Is this something that we should offer you again as a product? Have you built an equity in your home? Especially like if you purchased a property 5 years ago and you purchased it for like let's say $500,000 or $600,000, and that home has built equity and it has doubled in value probably in the last 5 or 6 years. There's a lot of equity in there that you can release if you're thinking of investing in your first investment property. So this is something you'd like to discuss with your broker. Or probably you've bought a home 3 years ago, it's an established home, there's some minor renovations you'd like to do, you'd like to upgrade the bathroom, upgrade the kitchen, and you'd like to take out a loan, do a loan top up to fund that renovation you're looking at doing. That's also another reason that you'd like to have a home loan review with us. Another reason you'd like to refinance is you've got several credit card debts and probably a personal loan, a car loan that you'd like to consolidate within your home loan so that you just have one repayment. Ask yourself these questions. What has changed in the last 2 or 3 years that you've had your home loan? Is there something that needs to get fixed? And then is there something you'd like to achieve? And then speak to us. We do a home loan review. We want to find out what your goals are in the next year. And then we can actually tailor the home loan product based on your situation. So what are your options when your fixed rate expires? Normally, what happens is once the fixed rate expires, it switches to the variable rate loan product. Now, what are your options? You can either accept what the variable rate is and then, of course, request the bank for a more competitive rate or a rate discount. You can give your current lender a call and say, oh, can you please give me more discounts in terms of the variable rate? Second option is, of course, you can also refix your home loan again. So if you have a 2% interest rate right now and it's expiring in the next 2 weeks, go to your bank, find out what the fixed rates are at this time. You'd expect a rate of between 5% to 6%. If you're happy to refix at this rate, then you can actually request the bank to refix that account that you have on a fixed rate. Another option is to actually restructure the loan. So let's say you had a fixed rate for the whole loan amount, but right now you'd like to actually split the loan, part fixed and part variable. You know that you can do extra repayments, and a fixed rate product does not allow you to do extra repayments. It does, but only a certain amount every year, like $10,000 you can do extra repayments. But if you actually split the loan with like let's say 10% or 20% variable and the rest 80% is fixed, then the 20% variable you can do extra repayment with that. And then with the fixed rate, you know that you have the peace of mind knowing that that fixed rate will be there in the next 1, 2, or 3 years, whichever term that you choose. Knowing that your fixed rate is expiring soon, knowing that your repayments will go up anytime can be very stressful. Here at Maverick Finance, our goal is to find out your financial situation, try to see whether the current loan still meets your financial needs, and if it doesn't, recommend or suggest products that may be more suitable for you and for your future plans. If you want to find out whether your home loan still works for you, just give us a call. My name's Maria Papa. You can call me at 04301 44008. You can email us at mpapa@maverickfinance.com.au. We're more than happy to help you find out whether your loan is still right for you or not. We're happy to do a home loan review. Just give us a call.